Hi friends, it's Layle with Simple Stories. If you've been around for a while, you may know that Say Cheese is one of our most favorite, most popular collections. And really, it is all about documenting your trip to that favorite amusement park. This one has my heart. I think my favorite has to be the Happy Kids bits and pieces. I can't get enough of them. We're also gonna build an album, and we're gonna talk a lot about kind of a formula. We are gonna dig into adding photos to one of your pocket page albums. That's what scrapbooking is all about. We've been adding photos, we've been adding different sizes of photos and interactive photos. We've been adding embellishments and playing with stamps and dies and stencils. Now we're gonna spend a little bit of time putting together some interactive elements. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.